Hi, my name is Matt Brandon. I am with thedigitaltrekker.com. I am also a Fujifilm brand ambassador for Malaysia. I want to talk to you about a brand new mic that the folks at Big Studio have just released. It's an exciting new mic that is actually the sort of a Mark II of a previous mic that I have reviewed on my channel before. And that is called the GoliveMic GL-1. Now the new mic is called the GL-1 Pro. And everything you've been hearing up to this point has been through this microphone. It is a really nice little sound, especially for the value that you find in this microphone. So let's go in and let's look at the details of this microphone. One of the key points of the new GL-1 Pro mic is that it comes in a single kit and a twin kit, which the twin kit's great if you want to do like interviews or co-hosting of a live stream. The receiver has got a monitoring jack for putting in your headphones and monitoring the audio. Now the transmitter, the part that hooks onto the talent, has a built-in microphone, so you can just use it directly clipped onto your collar. There are also two optional mics that are included in the kit. There's the lavalier mic, so you can use that plugged into the transmitter and hook that onto your belt. Or there is this small little short mic that plugs directly into the transmitter. This is great because you can handhold the mic and use it like a regular hand microphone. All right, so we've come outside at my house and we're gonna test out the sound quality of the distance, and my friend Hasif here is going to be my my partner in crime here as we talk about how the two microphones work for if you want to record drama, you want to record an interview, or something like this. So we're gonna have a shot. Now you're probably wondering why we're not all masked up, because we are still in the MCO. Well, that's because number one, we're outside. Number two is that we are a good distance away from each other. And lastly, we want you to hear the quality of the microphone. If we have a mask on, it's going to sound like this, right? So we don't want that. All right, so let's give it a shot and we'll see how well this works. I'm going to have you just walk backwards and talk. Don't trip yourself. So,
I'll try not to.
Maybe, just tell me about yourself, how you've been doing. Are you going to school these days?
Yeah, I'm actually in university, but yeah, it's kind of bad that I spent 1 year just studying online while paying the same amount.
Oh, that's a bummer. Okay, so the sound engineer says that's the distance. So, so how's it? I mean, obviously we would not have a conversation unless we were doing a drama. I'd be going, hey, duck, run, whatever,
Yeah, it's quite far away.
It's good to see you over there.
Yeah. How are you, Matt?
I'm well. Come on in.
Yeah, I'm gonna come in.
And as you walk in, so you can see how well it works. So I think that it's a pretty cool little setup, especially as, again, I said, for the value. I think you're getting a lot for your money. So that's the look at the GoliveMic GL-1 Pro. It is a great little mic to enter into the YouTube or live streaming scene. It's a great value and packs a lot of punch, as you can see from what we've looked at. So it's available now.